morning, good day, good afternoon. How are you? Welcome back to my videos. Alright? Today, how is it going so far with you? Is it okay? Give thanks. If it's not, give thanks. But as a matter of fact, once you have life, it's okay. Once you have life, it's okay. So give God thanks. Alright? Give God thanks. And what is happening there in the neck of your hoods? What is happening there in your country? Tell me, what country are you watching from? What country are you commenting from? Okay? Where did you subscribe from? What country? Just let me know. Tell me what you're cooking today. Alright? Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm going to cook this morning. I have some oxtail here that I bought at the store. Alright, so I already seasoned it. I put it to marinate, but I'm going to show you how I season my oxtail. Alright, so I have my pot over here with the oil in it. I'll show you as I go. Alright, so watch as I go. Alright, I'm going to show you how I season it. Alright, alright, yes guys. So over here I have my seasoned oxtail. Alright, and I'm going to show you how I season it. I have my lemon here, or you can use a lime, or you can use your vinegar, either apple cider vinegar or this one. Any one of them can do it. So I use this to wash my meat properly, and alright, you wash it more than one time because all different types of bacteria, so you wash it and season. So this is my all-purpose season. I put on it already. I put my cayenne pepper, my salt, my ginger. Also I put a little browning on it. But as I say, my subscribers and viewers and all those that are watching, you use whatever season you want to use. So this is what they have oxtail seasoning also at the store, so you can get it also and buy and put it on it, right? They have, I think I have a little there. I'm going to search if I found it. Alright, but you can use your oxtail seasoning or whatever. If you don't have it, you don't have to use whatever you want to use. Alright, or whatever you have. Alright, so this is all the seasoning I put on it for now. So later on I put my onion and my garlic and whatever I want to put on it. Okay, alright, so you put whatever you want to put on it. So my pot is there waiting on me. So watch as I go. Yes guys, I put a little tip of oil in it after it, and then I'm going to brown stew with my oxtail, and then I'm going to pressure it. Okay, so it's all ready here now, so you can watch as I go. You can see? Alright? So take your time and get its own color. Alright? And then now you can put it in your pressure cooker to save your energy. Alright? So watch as I go. So I put it in my pressure cooker now. Alright? So I'm going to cover it. It takes like at least half an hour to cook. Alright, so watch as I go. Okay, my subscribers and viewers, can you see my pot over here? I hope you can. Let me know if you can see my pot. Alright, alright, so there's my oxtail. Alright, so I'm going to put my seasoning in now. Alright, let me show you my seasoning. This is my season where I already cut. And this is my bean. Alright. So I have my bean here. You can use any bean you want. This is my bean. So what I do now is that after I poured it out, I put it in the water. I wash it off underneath the pipe. I just wash off whatever is on it. Just let me know if you do it that way. Whatever you take out of a tin, especially things like these, do you wash them off? Just let me know. In your side, what do you do? Or you just cut it and pour everything in it? Just let me know. Alright? But normally I wash it off. So this is my seasoning. Alright, I already cut my onion and my scallion. Okay? And as usual, I don't have a scotch bonnet, which is my favorite pepper, but I'm going to use this little one here. It's not as hot as I want, but you know, the scotch will give you a better flavor. Alright, so I'm going to put my seasoning in. So watch as I go. So this is my pot all ready, so I'm going to put my bean in. Alright, so this is my bean. So just let me know if you wash off your bean or anything you're using from the tin. Do you wash it first? Alright. So my meat has been tenderized already, and it take like depends, because the oxtail can be very hard, so it takes like half an hour to about 30 minutes or to about 35 minutes, call it that time it takes. All right, but it can be very hard. So here's my seasoning now. I'm gonna put my seasoning. I'm going to put tomato in, but not now. I like when the tomato is don't cook out. You just put it in like that and it does not cook out. I just like it off cook. Okay, so look at my, so these are sweet peppers, the mini sweet peppers, the red one and the yellow one. All right, you can see here. So I'm going to tip just a little bit more seasoning in it, the powder seasoning. But you put whatever seasoning you want to put in yours. Just a little bit more seasoning, salt, and a little bit more ginger. Ginger is a must. I put ginger in everything. It tastes so good. And just a little all-purpose Maggi. And as I said before, they have the oxtail seasoning, so you can get it at the store to buy. All right. You can see my pot coming up, and this is for my Sunday dinner. So I'm going to put it with rice or soup, or you put it whatever you want, but I'm going to put it with some rice. You can see it. And if you want a little bit more browning or sauce or whatever, you can. Alright, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. I'm going to put a little jerk sauce in it. And as I say, you put whatever sauce you want in your meat. I have some Diana sauce here, so you can just put it in. Alright, so whatever sauce you want to put in it, you can. It's okay, that's fine in order. You just put to your taste. Alright. Tastes so good. So when you see me next time, it's my finished product. And remember, guys, taste your pot. Alright, taste your pot. And you put your margarine according to what you have. You put whatever you have in it. Alright. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Love you, my peeps. Love you, my subscribers. Please tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Love you. So yes, my subscribers and my viewers and all those that are watching, this is my finished product. Alright, my oxtail with bean. Let me show you. It's my bean. You can see. All right, and my pepper. I have a small pepper there. And let me know in your country or wherever you are, how do you cook your oxtail? All right, let me know. All right, so you take care and thanks for watching. It tastes good. All I know, it tastes good. No matter the looks of it, it tastes so good. All right, so thanks for watching and you have a blessed day. Okay, you take care. Bye bye. So you put it whatever you want. You can put it with rice, you can put it with dumpling, yam, or whatever food you want to put it with. That's no problem. All right, so I'm just showing you how I cook my oxtail. Love you guys. Take care and be good to yourself. All right, have a blessed day.